Today for the Bitcoin and crypto prices. And yes guys, the craziest pattern for Bitcoin is right now forming. The last time this pattern was forming was 1.5 years ago when Bitcoin pumped from 7,000 US dollars to almost 70,000 to 64,000 US dollars, almost a 10x. What if I told you that this textbook pattern is not only forming right now, that we are on the cusp, on the verge of Bitcoin breaking it. However, the most important resistance is where we are at right now. So I want to talk with you about not obviously what this whole pattern is about, what am I expecting, what are the price targets. I will mention that towards the end of the video as well. But more importantly, where am I going to put in my next multi-million US dollar trade? I will talk about my price targets, not about that one only here. I will talk about completely mind-blowing stuff here in this video, but of course there are limitations. Of course we have to see how to play it, how to spot it, and what we can expect for the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. Let's go straight into it. I just wanted to ask you, James, I showed you the pattern. What do you think about it?
It's amazing and it's going well.
Yeah, we are going to look at it. James from Stock Guru, big shout out to him. And now let's talk about that one here. Look at this. So what you can see here is this crazy lead and phase. And I was talking about this specific pattern since yesterday. And let me just show you. We have the lead and phase here. According to the textbook, the Bitcoin price broke down eventually and should get a V-shaped recovery towards the upside. This is what I mentioned earlier. And let me show you this textbook pattern where we are having the lead and phase, the bump phase, a V-shaped recovery towards the upside, and then a massive pump towards the upside. Well, this is exactly so far what was happening. And I was already, when we broke this line, I was telling you, very likely that we are going up for a retest of the downward sloping support. I was also posting over on Twitter, by the way, Twitter link in the Telegram, sorry, Twitter is still suspended, Telegram link in the pinned comment section down below, that this support resistance will be very crucial for Bitcoin to overcome. It was validated as support over here, it was validated as support over here, and right now it is acting as a very strong resistance. This resistance having confluence right now, not only with the Fibonacci golden ratio, which we are retesting here right now, no, also with the downward sloping resistance and with this horizontal resistance. This is important to overcome. And I am personally looking out to trade this one volatilely here with $1 million US trade, but only if we are closing a 4-hourly, more importantly even, let me quickly turn this one around. More importantly even, a daily candle above the downward sloping support. If we are doing that, and guys, a rejection is possible, obviously. If we are getting rejected, we have to hold above the 42,600 US dollar level. Very important, especially above this one here. But 42,600 is the level I want to hold here for Bitcoin. If we are closing a candle above, I go full on crazy mode. I will go back into a trade and I will trade it as if there was no tomorrow. The first price target would be, let me take out the measurement tool here, the first price target could bring us all the way up here to an approximate gain of 8.6% at a 10x leverage. This is 86%. But actually, if we are breaking this line, and this is something you have to understand, if we are breaking this line and closing a 4-hourly, better even a daily candle above with significant volume support, let me see if the microphone is still working. Then, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about a continuation, actually a repetition of what we have been seeing 1.5 years ago. I just talked about it. Look at this. This was the last bump and run reversal pattern. Slavik was actually asking me like a few days ago, what is your favorite pattern? I told him the bump and run reversal, and there you go, we are having it again, a potential one. We are having the lead in phase, a rejection towards the downside, a V-shaped recovery, and the moment we are breaking the downward sloping support, this is the moment we are never seeing these price targets again. And I mean, fast forward, let me zoom out. Every one of you who is in crypto for quite some time knows what happened afterwards. We ran as if there was no tomorrow to 64,000 US dollars. And now the most important question, of course, is this going to happen again on a smaller scale here? I think it's possible. All we have to do is, let's wait for this one to break. And if we are retracing down, let's hold the 42.6. and let's make it in the next trial. Because what you can see, if I'm going over here, sometimes we are getting a rejection first and then eventually breaking out. It's just important that we are getting a throwback and holding the support before we can confirm a break towards the upside. Follow me here, go down below, go into the pinned comment and go to the MMCrypto Alerts channel. It's for free for everyone who has the Telegram app. And it will be always for free. I'm posting everything, even this Elrond breakout, which I quoted at 224. I said, the awaited Elrond breakout is happening here as predicted. Wait for the confirmation. 224 US dollars. And if we are fast forwarding to the price right now, and if I'm going down here to the Elrond chart, then you can see that every single one who was trading this specific pattern on Elrond is in significant profits right now. Congratulations to everyone who is joining the MMCrypto community. Congratulations to everyone who is subscribed to the MMCrypto channel, who is pressing the like button and also, of course, making noise for the algorithm. You are one of a kind, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and this is interesting times for crypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye. Actually, let me quickly show you around here. This is the lobby in my building. I will leave it tomorrow because I'm moving into a villa. So if you are following me at ChrisMMCrypto with the blue verification check mark on Instagram, I will give you a beautiful room tour tomorrow, a villa tour. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.